What is going on, you guys? How are y'all doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well, and today we got a special guest. We got ZFZ Kev on Instagram. His real name is Kevin or Kev, but you guys probably have seen him out at car meets with his super sick BMW M2, and today I got the privilege of getting to do a video and interview with him in his car. So without further ado, let's get him on and talk about his car. Alright guys, so this is Kevin. Kevin, thank you so much for doing this today. So how long have you had it? What's done to it? Just talk about your car, man.
Yeah, so I've had it since January of 24. It's the S58. It's got Venturi intakes, the Venturi CSL crossbars, and their engine bay cover. It's got full Adro body kit, including the ginormous wing on the back. It's got the Adro vertical kidney grills, TE37s, full downpipes, catless downpipes. Let's see, this is actually a wrap. It actually fools most people. It's a Nosatec Midnight Purple. It's actually done by Rap Magic out in Gresham. He's a really good rap guy. Basically fools everybody. Everyone thinks that it's paint. Let's see, got a Zestec steering wheel, which is super awesome. It's a quick disconnect. Let's see, I think that's pretty much about it. Well, also, it's been femto unlocked, MHD, running about 42% ethanol right now, which equates to, I think, around 680 to 700 horsepower.
That's cool. Now, I'm going to show you guys the engine bay in just a second, but this guy has the most carbon fiber I've ever seen under an engine bay. So, what is all that aftermarket? Where did you get that?
Yeah, so all this is basically Venturi that's under here that you see. I wanted to go with the same brand so that way it all matches, because I initially went with the Venturi intakes to begin with, and then kind of just kept going from there. Got all the Downstar titanium, like the full burnt titanium hardware underneath here as well, and you basically can't even see the flex fuel kit that MHD makes. It all basically connects back behind there, and you can't even, basically looks OEM as far as the lines and everything look, as far as that's concerned.
All right, Kev, so you mentioned that you got a quick release steering wheel. What brand and where did you get that from?
Yeah, so this is the Zestec, which is basically, they sell basically just the hub. I think I got this through Beamer World, actually. They're a reseller of Zestec. And the really good thing about the Zestec is you can basically program all these buttons, basically plugs into your computer. You can program all the buttons, you retain all the stock functionality, you don't lose anything. And then you can also change the colors of the buttons, RGB and all that kind of stuff. So. And
obviously you went with purple to match the color of your car.
Yeah, and you can change these too. So like this, you can change these and the stickers and all that kind of stuff. And then, so what's really nice about the Zestec is it has like the standard pattern here, and then you can pick whatever outer wheel you want to do with the hub. Mm-hmm. So, and then it's got magnetic paddle shifters and stuff like that. So it's pretty nice. I think the JQ is a little bit better on the paddle clickers, but the JQ has a little bit more compromises, like you lose some functionality and stuff like that, and I don't think you can really program it as much as you can with this one. Gotcha.
That's cool. And one thing I also noticed is the seats. That's the red and blue. Did that come stock like that, or did you?
Yeah, it was like a M Sport option, I think, or something like that. In the car when it came in, I got this from like Tigard. It was just happened to have that on there, so I like them.
And then the seat belts too, you guys can see it also has the red and blue on it as well. That's really cool. Sweet. And a bunch of carbon in the interior I can see too, huh?
Yeah, that's all factory. The only other thing I did in here is just the Alcantara armrest.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it.
Well, with that being said, let's get a startup for you guys, and you can hear what this thing sounds like, and then we'll go for a little ride. That sounds good. Hey Kev, I forgot to ask, does this exhaust have valves or is it?
Yeah. So right now the valves are just open.
That's cool.
And valve controller. So
Oh, you guys heard that? It just got quieter. Give it a little rev with the valve. That's a significant difference. And now they just opened up again. That sounds amazing. Well, you guys hear what it sounds like, so let's hop in and see what this baby's got. So Kevin was just showing me this, but on his screen, I'll show you guys, you get a live thing of your torque, horsepower, PSI, and the temperature of your car. That is really cool. Does that come on like a lot of the BMWs, or is that only like a special thing that on special BMWs?
I think it's just on all the Gs, like the G80, 82, and 87.
That's really cool. So I gotta ask, have you tracked it yet?
No, unfortunately.
Are you too scared to?
No, I'm not. I just like keep missing the boat and
yeah,
keep failing to register for like Taste of Motorsports. They just had one on the 24th.
I saw that. You guys will be able to hear and see what this thing's got. We're up on the highway right now, but and it sounds so good too. Now I forgot to ask before we left, do you have carbon ceramic brakes, or is it just steel brakes, or?
Just the stock brakes.
Stock brakes, okay.
Yeah. The stock brakes are pretty good though. They just dust like a ton.
Yeah, I bet. Which means you probably have to clean your wheels every so often, huh?
Every week, they get cleaned.
Hey, at least
every day.
At least your wheels are easy to clean. Like they don't have very many spokes.
Yeah.
I hate when I've had a car like that and I didn't have the financials to upgrade wheels, but it had so many spokes and it's like it took so much time. It took like 15 minutes per wheel to clean.
One of the small wins of not being able to afford BBSs.
Yeah, exactly. So he was just showing me that he can change his map settings, and he just turned his pop tune on. See if you guys can hear it. That sounds so nice.
Then we can change the map down to like the map 2, which my map 2 is just set to 1 pop. So now it's like 1 to 2 pops.
And you can program it to do that, or that
it's all
is
within
really
the app.
cool.
And now if I go down to map 1. This should be no pops. See, no pops.
Wow, that is cool. That sounds so good. We're gonna get a flyby of him going, you know, obviously flying by me for you guys, but that's so cool. I want to hear what it sounds like under pressure and under load. That's going to be really cool and interesting. Jeez! Did you guys see him when he was coming towards me? He was kind of like jumping. I don't know if he lost traction or what, but damn, that sounds so good. He said that the engine is what was it? Not an S55, but the newer one. I can't remember. I don't know BMW very well, but he literally just said, but we were talking about other things and I forgot what he said it was, but I think like it's something 58, I think is what he said it was, but hey, that sounds so good. Oh, that downshift. Oh, that downshift was just chef's kiss. Oh, that sounded so good. That car is just so amazing. I know I've always said to you guys when I see that car at car I got goosebumps. That car, whenever I see it at car meets, is just so gorgeous. It's one of my favorite BMWs to see out at a car meet and a car event. And now that I actually get to do an interview with Kevin and actually get to ride in his car, it's just so phenomenal. So that's why I love doing these interviews with people and these videos, because when I see a car at a event, I'm like, hey, I want to know who the owner is and maybe do a video with them, and they're open to it. It's just so cool, and then I get to make a new relationship with them. So it's so sick. So Kevin, thank you so much for doing this. So I gotta ask, what's the coolest car that you've had fun with on the highway, driving with or racing with?
Man, that's a tough one. Probably just all the other BMWs when we went on a BMW meet. I think it was in July. It was just like all the G80s and G82s and F87s and everyone just riding together.
That's cool.
Yeah, that was a pretty crazy time, but yeah, it was a lot of fun.
I always like to ask people because I didn't know if you've like driven with any like crazy GTRs or Lambos or anything like that.
No, not to any extremes or anything like that. Just on normal cruises.
That's cool. Bikers up here with bunny helmets. It's funny. Alright, you guys, that is going to be it for the video. That was so fun to do. I've been wanting to do a video with this M2 for a while since I've seen it at car meets. So big shout out to Kevin. I'll put his Instagram on the screen for you guys. Guys, go give him a check out. Give him a follow. Kev, anything you want to say to the people watching? Or
no, just shout out to my wife who allowed me to build this awesome vehicle, and Passion Driven Motorsports for the help that he's been able to assist me with. Model Plus Studio, who I was able to get like the TEs and the Adro kit from, and yeah, Wrap Magic for his amazing work on wrapping the vehicle.
Cool. Well, Kev, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Super fun. Guys, like I said, go give him a check out, and that's a wrap on the vlog. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.